Ever get yelled at for cracking your knuckles? They say it causes arthritis. Let's settle this. Cracking your knuckles is annoying, sure. But does it damage your joints? Science says no. The sound is just gas bubbles popping in the joint fluid. It doesn't wear down cartilage or inflame the joint like arthritis does. Multiple studies found no link between knuckle cracking and arthritis. Cracking too aggressively might cause temporary swelling or reduced grip strength. But arthritis not on the list. If it's painless, it's harmless. Just maybe don't do it during a job interview. Crack away and follow Asclepieia for more myth-busting medicine.